Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. So we are back here in Chinatown once again, and that's because several months ago they had a huge car show here and it drew so much attention. They wanted to do a bigger car show with more cars and more people. Coach here is a huge car enthusiast, whereas I'm just a regular enthusiast. I like taking pictures and just walking around and stuff. So today, hopefully, Coach will give you some insights on cars. But for me, I'll just be here talking crap. So join us as Jack stops to Chinatown once again. Let's go. Check it out. So the car show starts over there, but we already see the first car right here. Check it out. This nice car right here. What is this? This is a Ford. What is
Police Interceptor. It's a
Police Interceptor.
special model they only sell to police.
So police, exclusively for police only. Check it out. The nice black and white paint job. Though you got a little scratch right here, and you got a little cage. So need some work here for the car show, bro. All right, let's keep going. So that was the lion dancing. They usually have lion dancing everywhere when there's like a huge ceremony. You can't miss them. They're loud and they're fancy. So let's get down with the car show. So first car we have is the Camaro.
Camaro looks like
black Camaro.
It's like a drag car. You see how the back tires are hella fat?
Fat black tires. How come they don't have any treads?
Skinny?
Why don't they have any tread marks in the back?
That's for traction, man.
Oh, see, I am not a car expert like Coach is, so I can't offer you like good stuff. Next we have a red Corvette.
Looks like it's the organizer Mike's car.
This is a Corvette, right?
Yeah, it's a Corvette. Looks like he put Lambo doors.
In a red Corvette. And here's a red
Ferrari.
Right, kind of like the old style.
It's like the car you saw in the first Fast and Furious movie, like the rich guy. He was drag racing the Supra, and then the Supra kicked his ass.
Is that possible in real life though?
Yes. You gotta put some money in the Supra, but yes.
All right.
Very entirely possible.
What is this? A Batmobile. The old-fashioned. Like it's like a penguin car, right? The penguin drove this.
It does, huh? It looks like a Batman villain, but looks nice. I don't know what it looks like. A pre-war car though. Pre-World War II, so like 1930s.
And then we have tons of car enthusiasts here, not just Coach.
That's right.
And then you got, I know for sure this is an Infiniti G35 or something, sedan. What's the, how would you describe the color, Coach?
Oh, it's so cool.
Is it like a maroonish?
Looks like a, you know how you cook a squid and then you cut it, it's like that kind of color.
Squid color.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, and then we got a truck here. And check this out. Instead of Ford, it says Fast.
It's a Ford F-150 Lightning. These are
they pretty fast? Are they fast as the logo says?
Oh yeah, they're fast. For a truck, it's like a, 4,000, 5,000 pound, car. It's pretty fast.
But look at the interior though. I know my car don't look as clean as this one.
Right?
Damn.
A lot of armor all in this one.
Oh, look at this matte color. I love matte colors on cars. Wow, the matte blue. I've never seen it in a matte blue color. And once again, look at the engine though. Wow, like the hearts. It's red. On camera, it looks kind of like yellowish on camera, but it's actually red.
Yeah.
It's a supercharger, you say?
Yeah, supercharger.
Nice. And what is this? What kind of car is this, Coach?
It's a Ford Mustang.
A Mustang.
Ford Mustang. You gotta watch out when you.
I gotta watch out when I back
if
up.
you're a pedestrian. They're known to hit pedestrians.
Oh. And let's see, an R8. Is this the same squid color as the other Infinity? No, this is like a matte purplish, huh?
You can see the color change depending on the light too.
Audi R8 with the 8 number right here.
Looks like there's a whole lineup of R8s.
Nice. So you got 3 R8s in a row. Let's see. You got the purple one.
Yeah, the purple one, convertible.
You got a dark gray, and then you have a convertible silver right here.
That's the Tony Stark car.
Nice.
Tony Stark, Iron Man drove one of those.
Oh, check this out. A Lambo right here. This is an interesting color. It's like a, how would you describe this? Like a human reproductive fluid kind of white.
That's right. It is definitely a dirty shade of white for sure.
They also tinted the lights yellow.
Right?
Nice.
And of course, Lamborghini has Lambo doors. Gotta have it.
And then we have another R8, right?
Another R8. This is a privileged white.
I can feel the privilege. But my OCD is killing me. Why don't I just put it together with the other R8s? Right? You got 3 R8s in a row, and then you have a Lambo and then another R8. They should have put it all in a row.
Well, Lamborghini is owned by Audi, so.
But still, though, it's not the the same body type. So
Synergy.
My OCD. And then this is a McLaren.
McLaren, yes, and papaya orange.
Papaya. See all these like different colors.
Classic McLaren colors. It's nice.
A car enthusiast calls it the papaya orange. Jack off to another adventure guide, we'll just call it orange. Nice. And then we have a blank spot here. The invisible car right here.
Yes. The invisible boatmobile.
The cloak. And what is this?
Another Ford Mustang.
Another Mustang. Cool. With the double stripes in the front.
Racing stripes. Hertz colors.
We have a few car modeling enthusiasts. A turbo car right here. The Porsche. And what is this car right here? Is it the Model T?
Looks like it looks like hello. Look at that. Look at the suspension. Or lack thereof.
Wow. You can just it feels kind of naked. You can just look at the inside right there. Check it out, guys. I don't know a single thing about it, but
definitely don't want to get an accident in this one.
Oh, why not?
Dude, there's no protection.
If it's a Model T, isn't Ford built for tough though?
Not back then.
All right, we got an uncle here.
Another Ford Mustang.
Again, is it a Mustang needs to have dual stripes? As a design, you have like 2 black stripes.
Yeah,
right
racing stripes. Yeah, it's classic.
Does it make it faster?
It adds the racing stripes adds 20 horsepower. So everybody knows this.
What?
That's right.
I think now you're like fucking around with me, coach.
Everybody.
So a single racing stripe, this one's not as fast, right? Because it only has one?
Only has one.
And this is papaya orange also?
Nah, it's a different kind of orange. It is orange, but it's named different. Each car company has a different name for their colors.
All right.
This one's nice though.
Okay, so that's the first block. There's more blocks over here, and they have the pedestrians preventing you from jaywalking. So we're gonna have to wait patiently here before we continue on. All right, so now we have the second street lineup. What is this car? You got a truck here. Chevy truck.
Old Silverado.
Wow. And then let's look at the inside. You got the pink interior. It really reminds me of like a Playboy theme for some reason. I don't know what it is, or a strip club theme. And then what is this? A Camaro? See it?
Yeah, Camaro.
I can tell. I can read. At the very least.
Owner must be belongs to Steve.
Oh. See, at the very least, I can read. So even though I don't know much about cars, I can read.
Salmony red right here.
A salmon? No, that's not salmon red. That's like lipstick red.
Okay.
70s lipstick red. And then right next to it, you have another car that looks just like it. What is this? Another Camaro?
Yeah, no, it's a El Camino.
El Camino.
It's a truck.
Oh, wow.
Half car, half truck.
Half car, half truck. Nice. And then I'm assuming this is a GTR?
GTR, man. My GTR 做世界冠軍.
Nice. All right. Another McLaren?
Another McLaren. MP4-12C.
And another McLaren.
Also in papaya orange.
Another papaya. So we have 2 papaya orange McLarens.
Yeah.
And then this is the, what is this car?
Oh look, it's Back to the Future car.
Oh, you came?
It's a DeLorean.
You came to the wrong future, bro.
Yeah, man.
Why you come during COVID? Should have went like further into the future.
Back and then warn us about COVID. Come on.
Oh, and then you have car modeling enthusiasts. What is this? A Mercedes?
Car modeling enthusiasts. It's a Mercedes AMG GT.
It had to be Asian girls on the Mercedes.
That's right.
Asian girls love guys that drive Mercedes. That's why no one likes me because I
also like to drive Mercedes.
All right. Let's keep going. Another
Nice blue though.
retro. What is this? Is this a Corvette?
Yeah, it's a Corvette.
Must be a. Wow.
See how phallic this proportion is? Look at how long that hood is.
Oh, see, there you go. The Asian girls, they like to get into the Mercedes right there.
The phallic looking Mercedes. Look at that long ass hood. It's like half the car is the hood. You know?
That's the Asian mom's dream. She's like, one day, daughter, you're gonna marry a guy that drives this car. And she's trying to get used to it right now.
It's not that expensive.
How much does that car cost?
I mean, new is like, 6 figures, but you can buy on the used market for like 70, 80. It's not too bad.
Asian expectations. So, next up we have another Chevy. So,
Chevelle.
we have a lot of Chevys today.
Yeah.
A lot of American cars today. Chevelle, right? This is a Chevy Chevelle.
I want to say it's Chevelle. Yeah, there we go. Chevelle, yeah, see. I know my stuff, man.
Dave Chevelle. And then this is a GT Shelby?
Mustang GT 500.
So, what is it? Is this a...
What is what?
It's a Cobra. So is that
Cobra.
like a...
It's the logo for Shelby.
See,
They're known for their... back then, there's a model they had called the Cobra.
I would have never known that.
They just...
And you have another R8.
Another R8.
Why don't you even put this together, man? I'm serious. I do have OCD. Oh, check this out. You have a little Bruce Lee car. Should have painted this whole like...
I know, right? He should have wrapped the whole car in that.
Into that, yeah. And then have that on there so you have like a mini-me.
That
like,
would be the way to do it.
And what is this?
It's a new Camaro, CL1.
And what's the purpose of that tow thing? Is it for towing, for real though?
So in a racetrack, right?
Yeah.
In case you get an off, they need to be able to tow you back to the pits really quickly. So that instead of wasting time, you put it in before you go out to the track.
Okay. And then we have two more
Another
Corvettes.
Corvette.
They look like the same car with a different hood.
Seems like orange is the popular color.
Well, this is San Francisco though, so orange and black. Very
right.
giant color.
Giants.
And yeah, they're very clenched today, man. Damn it. And then we had the final car of the show, which is a...
Best car here. California Highway Patrol Dodge Charger.
Dodge Charger, the CHP right here.
CHP. They're the best.
From Eureka. Oh, wow.
Okay.
If you see one of this behind you, you better watch out.
Sorry. Still never gotten a speed ticket, ever.
All right, so as we can see, that's pretty much it for the car show. There's nothing much over there. So since we're here in Chinatown, we might as well go do something fun, like get something to eat first. So yeah. So the whole purpose for the car show is to bring business here in Chinatown. Kind of like every time Coach and I come here to Chinatown, we always spend food here. And today we are having, well, I'm having this black pepper chicken steak. Coach is having the revitalize fan. And just look how poppin' this place is right now. That's business right here. And yeah, don't mind me guys. Unless you guys want me to be a food blogger, jacks off to another food adventure. So let's give it a try, because you never know what happens in the future. So this is black pepper chicken rice. And here we have the juicy chicken breast with the overwhelming black pepper sauce on top. Right here we have the mouth-watering lettuce over rice. And Coach, he started already, but that's your Untitled fan. And what that is shrimp. You got some tasiu, rice mixed with soy sauce and oil. And it wouldn't be a proper food vlogging video if I didn't put food in my mouth and then the exaggerated expression. So, wow, tastes like chicken. And then all that flavor, the sauce, it just comes together like the Chinese community. This is good. I can't get enough of this. Jacks up to another food adventure.
Better than sex.
So that expression earlier was exaggerated, but the taste though, as you can tell, it's not. It is good. And now we have some fortune cookies. So let's see what my fortune is. Will I get 1 million subscribers? Let's see. Get free ASAP cannabis delivery. What? You're full of good ideas. So jacks off to another food adventure is a good idea. What about you, Coach? What'd you get?
I got set your expectations high.
Set your expectations high, like an Asian expectation. Man, that's so Asian.
And cannabis, sponsored by cannabis.
Oh wow. So get high, and then get your expectations high, just as high too. All right, so that restaurant we just had, Sun Lanteng right here. New Lanteng Cafe. Bueno. Alright, so before we end this video, we're gonna pick our favorite car. So we're gonna start with Coach first. Coach, what's your favorite car so far?
This one. The McLaren 600 LT.
Okay, so this is Coach's favorite car. Why is it your favorite car?
Look at the color, man.
A papaya orange?
Papaya orange 600 LT. That's like one of their like a special trim of the regular. I think what was it? 570. So it's like an ultimate model of that. So it's nice.
So that's Coach's favorite car, and mine. Whoop! And my mic crapped out here. I'm so sorry, guys. But my favorite one was the Lambo because the color fits my channel's theme. What do you guys think?
You know, I think today's been a great success.
Whoop! And my mic crapped out again. I am so sorry, guys. But this is Mike, the man who organized this entire event. Basically, he was saying how he was very pleased with the turnout and hopes to organize this event annually to attract more people to Chinatown. Like many other communities, Chinatown has been hit real hard by the pandemic, but you have also a lot of people like Mike who is putting tons of effort into helping the businesses here and trying to keep the community alive and well. Major kudos. Alright, so another day here in Chinatown, and that's pretty much the car show. They're gonna have it here again on Sunday, but I won't be here because it's football season and I am a huge football enthusiast. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you guys want me to become a food vlogger, you know, jacks off to another food adventure or whatnot. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, jacks off.